Gone are the days when healthy cooking meant sacrificing flavor, or when satisfying your cravings for grilled food required battling the elements or enduring a smoky aftermath. This NutriChef Smart Griller with air frying combo bursts onto the scene as a culinary game changer, offering a powerful and versatile solution for anyone who wants to elevate their kitchen experience. This in-depth review delves into every aspect of this innovative appliance, helping you decide if it holds the key to unlocking a world of delicious and healthy possibilities in your kitchen. Imagine a single appliance that can replace multiple bulky and space-consuming kitchen gadgets. With the NutriChef Smart Griller, that dream becomes a reality. This multifaceted marvel boasts a staggering 7 cooking functions, each designed to unlock a new realm of culinary creativity. Craving juicy burgers or perfectly seared steaks? The grill function delivers restaurant-quality results, minus the smoke and hassle. Yearning for crispy, golden French fries or guilt-free chicken wings? The air frying function utilizes rapid air circulation to achieve crispy perfection with minimal oil. But the magic doesn't stop there. The Smart Griller also functions as a roaster, a baker, a broiler, and even a dehydrator, allowing you to tackle everything from succulent slow-roasted vegetables to delightful homemade cookies. Gone are the days when your kitchen counter resembled a battlefield of appliances. With the NutriChef Smart Griller, you can finally ditch the single-use countertop gadgets and embrace a more streamlined approach to cooking. This multifunctional wonder eliminates the need for a separate air fryer, grill, toaster oven, and dehydrator, freeing up valuable counter space and decluttering your kitchen. Imagine the possibilities. Now you can have a dedicated space for creating culinary masterpieces, without the clutter hindering your creativity. The NutriChef Smart Griller isn't just about versatility. It's about making the cooking process effortless and enjoyable for everyone, regardless of skill level. The user-friendly interface features intuitive controls and a wide temperature range of 100 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This allows you to precisely tailor the cooking process to your specific needs, whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting in the kitchen. No more guesswork or relying on intuition. Simply select your desired cooking function. Adjust the temperature with a touch, and let the Smart Griller do its magic. The built-in smart thermometer further elevates the Smart Griller from a simple appliance to a kitchen companion that empowers you to achieve restaurant-quality results. Gone are the days of constantly checking on your food or battling undercooked or burnt dishes. The smart thermometer provides real-time temperature readings, allowing you to precisely monitor the cooking process and ensure your food reaches the perfect level of doneness every single time. This feature is a game changer for novice cooks, building confidence and ensuring delicious results, while also being a valuable tool for experienced chefs seeking to achieve consistent perfection. In today's health-conscious world, many people struggle to reconcile their desire for delicious food with their commitment to healthy eating. The NutriChef Smart Griller bridges this gap beautifully. The air frying function allows you to enjoy crispy, flavorful food with significantly less oil compared to traditional deep frying methods. This makes it a perfect choice for those watching their fat intake or simply seeking healthier cooking options. The non-stick grill plates also contribute to healthy cooking by requiring minimal oil for grilling, allowing you to indulge in the smoky flavors you love without sacrificing your health goals. The NutriChef Smart Griller isn't just about cooking food. It's about empowering you to make healthy choices without compromising on taste. With a variety of cooking functions that promote healthy cooking methods, this appliance makes it easier than ever to incorporate nutritious meals into your daily routine. From air-fried vegetables and lean protein to beautifully roasted salmon and guilt-free chicken wings, the Smart Griller opens a world of possibilities for those seeking a healthier lifestyle. The NutriChef Smart Griller understands that your time is precious. That's why it's designed not just for delicious results, but also for unparalleled convenience in the kitchen. The removable and non-stick grill plates ensure effortless cleanup, allowing you to spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meals with loved ones. The thoughtful design also features a dishwasher-safe basket for added convenience. Simply pop the basket into the dishwasher after use and let it handle the cleaning while you relax. This makes the Smart Griller a perfect choice for busy families or anyone who values streamlined cooking and minimal cleanup time. The NutriChef Smart Griller isn't just an appliance. It's a kitchen companion that actively works to save you time and simplify your meal prep routine. The adjustable time setting allows you to customize the cooking process for each dish, ensuring perfect results without over or undercooking your food. The 6L capacity accommodates a variety of ingredients, allowing you to cook family-sized meals or prepare individual portions with ease. With its efficient design and effortless cleanup features, the Smart Griller streamlines your entire cooking experience, freeing up valuable time for other aspects of your busy life. Ready to unlock a world of culinary possibilities and embrace a healthier lifestyle in the comfort of your kitchen? The NutriChef Smart Griller with Air Frying Combo offers a powerful and versatile solution for anyone who craves delicious, healthy food without sacrificing convenience. It's perfect for busy families, health-conscious individuals, and aspiring chefs alike. Don't wait any longer to take control of your kitchen experience. Click the link below to see the latest price and availability of the NutriChef Smart Griller and embark on your culinary adventure today. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.